Welcome to Montech, the conveying and framing system technology specialist. As a Swiss company, we pride ourselves on being one of the top suppliers in the industry. Would you like to hear more? Let's go. Our cutting-edge transfer systems are designed to maximize efficiency and streamline your production processes. From start to finish, we deliver seamless solutions that keep your operations running smoothly. Businesses in various industries, from pharmaceutical to food and mechanical engineering, rely on our belt conveyors. We offer customizable solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. At Montech, we understand the importance of quality and durability. Our aluminum framing systems are built to last, ensuring exceptional performance even in challenging environments. Join our growing list of satisfied customers. Industry leaders worldwide trust Montech for their conveying and framing system needs. Discover why our solutions are the go-to choice. Let's work together to redefine possibilities and shape the next generation of handling and framing systems.